Run if you can, a bold new era with China's L7 humanoid robot reaching 9 miles per hour. When it comes to the remarkable advancements in robotic technology, not much can compare to the recent release of China's L7 humanoid robot, developed by the innovative startup Robotera. This incredible machine not only claims to be the fastest humanoid robot ever created, but is also shaking the foundations of our understanding of autonomous machines. The L7's ability to sprint at a staggering speed of 9 miles per hour is generating excitement and perhaps a touch of fear about the future of robotics. With a robust design that allows it to execute complex tasks effortlessly, the implications of its capabilities are both intriguing and potentially concerning. The L7, a leap toward effective mobility. Imagine a humanoid robot that has been meticulously crafted to excel in mobility. The L7 is a prime example of this new wave in robotics, featuring a unique architectural design that pairs its physical body with advanced control technologies. Thanks to its innovative body plus brain system, the L7 performs exceptionally energetic movements with remarkable balance and coordination. Reports indicate that it can do everything from breakdancing to executing 360-degree turns, accomplishments that highlight its athleticism. In a captivating demonstration within a mock factory, the L7 showcased its talents by sorting items on a conveyor belt while using power tools to complete tasks that require precise torque management. This not only revealed its utility in scenarios where dexterity is essential, but also highlighted its capability to outrun a human on a flat surface, marking a significant achievement in bipedal mobility. Such skills open doors for possible real-world applications in industries where robust physical demands are common. The evolution of dexterity and speed. The L7 is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, the Star 1 model, offering enhanced agility and upper body movement. With a maximum speed of 9 miles per hour, it performs fluidly across various activities, from precise industrial tasks to entertaining dance routines. Boasting an impressive 55 degrees of freedom in its joints, the L7 can wield significant torque, enabling it to lift weights up to 44 pounds with ease. Supporting its innovative design is a multi-sensor fusion system that provides the L7 with a comprehensive spatial awareness through advanced vision and depth sensing capabilities. Its cleverly designed swappable battery tech ensures that the L7 can operate without interruptions, although the exact operational duration is still under wraps. The combination of speed, might, and smart capabilities makes the L7 a flexible tool ready for diverse applications, including an upper-only version known as the M7, specifically meant for research initiatives. This flexibility underscores Robotera's commitment to leading in the field of robotics. Beyond industrial applications, the L7 is not merely about rapidity and strong exoskeletons. Its potential applications in various industries are revolutionary. Experts have noted its ability to handle delicate operations with care, such as maneuvering bathroom tissues or curtains, which illustrates its target adaptability for both manufacturing and service-based environments. The robot is equipped for impressive demonstrations, while also being equipped for practical, everyday roles like sorting and operating machinery. Moreover, thanks to the L7's proficiency in performing athletic maneuvers, it positions the robot as an eye-catching figure in entertainment and promotional events. By blending speed, dexterity, and strength, the L7 showcases the exciting possibilities Robotera is willing to explore, potentially influencing how industries adopt humanoid robots in the future. Looking ahead, the future of robotics. The launch of the L7 humanoid robot marks a monumental point in the evolution of robotics, pushing the envelope for integration into everyday aspects of life. With Robotera's ongoing innovations, the prospects for robotics appear bright and inspiring. What new functionalities might the evolving L7 develop? How will humanoid robots redefine our perspectives on machines in the work environment? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you agree with this trajectory, or do you see challenges ahead? Join the conversation in the comments.